Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Asian pickled cucumbers. First, choose thin-skinned varieties like Persian or English cucumbers for optimal crispness. Slice them thinly, about 1/8 inch thick, using a mandolin or a sharp knife. Next, place the slices in a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of salt, and toss to coat. Let them sit for about 15 minutes, then gently squeeze out any excess water. This step is crucial for achieving that satisfying crunch. Now, let's create the delicious pickling brine. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 cup of rice vinegar and 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. For sweetness, add 1½ tablespoons of agave syrup or sugar. Then, incorporate 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of minced fresh ginger, and 3 cloves of minced garlic. If you enjoy a little kick, stir in about 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Mix until all ingredients are well combined. With your brine ready, it's time to combine the elements. Transfer your squeezed cucumber slices into the bowl with the pickling liquid. Make sure all the cucumber pieces are fully submerged in the flavorful brine. Cover the bowl tightly and place it in the refrigerator. For a quick pickle, 30 minutes is sufficient, but for a more intense and developed flavor, let them marinate for several hours or even overnight. The longer they sit, the more delicious they become. Once your Asian pickled cucumbers are perfectly marinated, they are ready to enjoy. Serve them as a refreshing side dish to any meal or as a delightful snack. For an extra touch, garnish with a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds or some freshly chopped green onions. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in your refrigerator. These delicious pickles will stay fresh and flavorful for up to 3 to 4 days, ready to brighten your next meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.